What if I told you that a small tiny tweak in your outreach turns out of a no thanks into a $3,000 per month retainer? Stick around because in this video I'm going to reveal my whole strategy, how I tripled my response rate and how I land weekly, when not daily, meetings with new potential clients which pay me between $2,000 and $4,000 per month, and I will give the whole system away in this video for free. Just last month I closed a $20,000 deal, and in this video I'm revealing the outreach method and as well the offer. Most editors send generic messages such as, hey, I edit your videos, or this is my responsibility to edit your videos, and whatsoever. All of these messages, or let's say the majority of those, get deleted, or the emails you send out, they get deleted, and the response rate is so low. You don't pick a niche, and that's why you need to chase bargain clients which don't really have the budget to pay you a monthly retainer of $2,000 or $3,000 per month. And additionally, you lack of a very solid offer, and you cannot handle a sales call to close $2,000 to $3,000 retainers. So what is the solution? Step 1, pick the right niche, such as real estate, high ticket sales, anything which is correlated to a lot of money. So we don't want to do content for any kinds of low ticket B2C offer whatsoever. We want to work for a business owner, for example, a real estate developer. When you create content for him and he gets potential clients, that he makes a lot of money from these clients, and that he sees you as an investment, and he pays you, for example, $2,000 to $3,000 easily, no worries at all, because you bring him 2 to 3 new clients per month, which spend a high volume of money into real estate, for example. This is what I did and still do till this day. Step 2 is you craft a solid copy for outreach. We and our coaches in Creator Scale, we only use Instagram outreach at the moment because it's the most effective. Obviously, we also teach how to do it in email, but the highest conversion, how you should start, is with Instagram, and this automatically. So you should have, or we teach, an automated system where AI is sending automatically, day by day, automated messages towards the right audience, which we are picking then, and then we bring them into a sales call. And this is also how we come to step number 3, which is you need to master the sales call. You shouldn't go into the sales call with a feeling, okay, will I close the lead and whatsoever. No, you already have the feeling of the beginning of the call that you will close this lead, because you understand that this lead has the money and you have the solution, and you know how to close this client, you know how to close this lead, because you have this very simple framework, which we also give away in Creator Scale. I have a free video, which is the first link in the description, where I exactly explain how to get towards $10,000 per month. You can take a look at that. And when you found value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video.